What does repentance look like between a husband and a wife? Well, this is a relationship, of course, that is the closest human union there is, and we are to be one flesh and one in every way comprehensively. I think a husband and wife need to keep short accounts with one another. If that unity is to be enjoyed, and if it is to be deepened and enriched, that husband and wife necessarily must not let great gulfs of time go between any incidents of sin between them. And if either one sins against the other, it's awfully important that they make that right just as immediately as possible, and to get that resolved, because the relationship is too important not to do that. This is a picture of the relationship between Christ and the church, and that exalts it above what it just naturally is by itself to something of a illustratively much greater nature. And so it's vital that husbands and wives keep short accounts with each other in this way.